What's up, guys? I'm back. I haven't made a video in like 3 years. Figured I'd make one now. I just want to get back into it and check it out. I figure if we're gonna do this, let's go in with a banger, right? So, Snow New York City 2020. Just so you guys know, I'm vlogging with one of like the largest cameras you can buy in the market for no reason. All right, look how big that camera is. It's insane. All right, we're here with Danny. Danny's gonna help us out. What's up, Danny?
How you doing, guys?
So, where are we going? Hey guys, what's up? So at this point in the trip, it is maybe like 3 a.m. or something like that. Danny is frozen into an icicle. I'm carrying him by his bones to the car. And honestly, I feel pretty fine. But we did a lot. We walked a lot. We lost the umbrella for a second. And I had to go run and get it somehow. But honestly, beautiful. This is beautiful. It's so amazing. Overall, it's really good, but it's just a work, man. It's freaking work. But honestly, it's worth it to have a good time and enjoy life. It's definitely worth it.